In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 meshing error known as phase surface meshing, one of the most frustrating issues you can run into when trying to run simulations. If your mesh keeps failing and you're not sure why, don't worry. I'll walk you through the exact causes and step-by-step fixes so you can get your simulation working again. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. So first, what is the phase surface meshing error? This usually happens when Fusion 360 fails to generate a mesh on the outer surfaces of your model. In simple terms, the software is struggling to understand or process the geometry you've created or imported. Now let's go over the most common causes. The first big one is poor surface quality. If your model has gaps, overlaps, or uneven surfaces, Fusion can't properly generate a mesh. This is especially common with imported files. Another major cause is very small or narrow faces. Tiny features might look fine visually, but they can completely break the meshing process because they're too complex at that scale. Next, sharp edges or tight curves can also trigger this error. Areas with high curvature are harder to mesh and often need simplification. And finally, imported geometry like STEP or STL files can come with hidden issues like bad surface definitions or unstitched bodies. Now let's fix it step by step. First, simplify your model. Go through your design and remove unnecessary details like tiny fillets, small holes, or minor features that don't affect your simulation results. This alone solves a lot of meshing problems. Next, repair your surfaces. Use Fusion 360's inspection and repair tools to check for gaps or overlaps. If you find any, fix them so your surfaces are clean and continuous. After that, merge or stitch surfaces together. If your model is made of separate surfaces, make sure to stitch them into a solid body. A fully closed solid is much easier for Fusion to mesh. Another powerful fix is to use a coarser mesh. Go into your mesh settings and increase the element size. This reduces complexity and makes it easier for Fusion to generate the mesh successfully. If you're still having issues, try recreating the problematic areas. Delete the bad surfaces and rebuild them cleanly. This is especially useful for imported geometry that's causing repeated failures. Here's a quick tip to remember. Phase surface meshing errors almost always mean your outer surfaces are either too complex or not clean enough. Simplifying and repairing your geometry is the key to solving it. And that's it. You now know exactly how to fix the Fusion 360 phase surface meshing error and get your simulations running smoothly. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.